finally got it made. Old Hank made it here. We're all sure that you will, but I don't think Hank done it this way. No, I don't think Hank done it this way. Look at it. Tell me one more time just so I'll understand. Are you sure Hank done it this way? Did old Hank really do it this way?